Presenting a pre-owned 2013 Kia Soul. This four-door wagon has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Kia is a great value with less than 39,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 23 miles per gallon in the city, and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include power sunroof, Bluetooth, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.